Hi everyone, I just want to start this video by wishing you all a great year. I wish you continue growing and improving both in the professional and personal areas of your life. In different occasions, my students and friends have asked me to share on this channel how I organize my tasks so I manage to accomplish different goals for my personal fitness, work, study, and even for this channel. As a result, today I'm gonna be sharing my routine in a regular day. And there is nothing mysterious about it really, just a bunch of daily rituals and structure. And before I start, I want to express my gratitude to my friends, my students, and all the people who watch this content that I share here in order to learn something and apply a little bit of what I share here. You guys are the best. With no further delay, let's get started.
Every single one of my working days and some of my holidays start the previous night. Every night before I go to bed, I devote some time to organizing the responsibilities I have for the following day. Every day I try to accomplish just one or two demanding tasks and some small tasks. When I have many demanding or difficult tasks, I separate them in different days. And sometimes, when my schedule is reduced, I even have to split one difficult task into more than one day. This is how I accomplish my assignments for the doctorate I'm currently in. Once I am done with my tasks, I devote a couple of minutes to writing 2 to 5 things for which I feel grateful about. This exercise makes me go back in my day and remember all the positive things that happened to me during the day. Sometimes it is a favor you did for someone or vice versa, interacting with an old friend, having a good time with family or friends, realizing you accomplished a lot during the day, and so forth. This practice is called journaling, and it's the first step of my routine. I recommend doing it at night so you can go to bed knowing you have your agenda ready for the next day, and you have nothing to worry about. During weekdays, I wake up at 3:50 a.m. when I'm working. I drink some water, make my bed, and meditate for a few minutes. It's usually from 5 to 10 minutes. Doesn't have to be too long. My meditation routine is very simple. I concentrate on my breathing, paying attention to how the air enters and exits my body. I inhale for 3 seconds and try to exhale for 6 seconds. This technique makes me relax and clear my mind. I also like to open the window of the room where I meditate so I can breathe fresh air and listen to the birds at this time in the morning. This activity is so refreshing and relaxing that sometimes I want to spend more time doing it. Oftentimes I combine my meditation with stretching exercises and play some yoga music. I also feel so fresh and energized after a stretching session. Once I'm done meditating, I wash my face and brush my teeth before grabbing my gym clothing and going training. I live a couple of blocks away from the gym, so it is easy for me to walk there. When I don't go to the gym, for different reasons, I train at home with some basic equipment I got for my personal fitness. Once at the gym, I try to hit only one muscle group per day of training. One day for chest, other for legs, other for back, etc. When I'm not on vacation, I train for around an hour and a half, and I get home at 5:40, have a smoothie, take a shower, make some breakfast, and head to work. Currently, my routine is easier since I'm on vacation from work, so I can spend more time at the gym, on my breakfast, and devote the rest of my day to accomplishing different tasks. Some of my tasks during vacation have been devoted to reading academic papers related to my research at the university and polishing my research proposal. I have also devoted time to making videos for my channel, and since I got more time, I've shared more with my family, doing some outings, going to the cinema, or just visiting them. Some minor tasks I accomplish are related to the cooking and the cleaning of my house. During weekdays, I always make my own food, and I like doing it for various reasons. Being the first one, my health. You know, when you cook at home, you get to choose the ingredients to use. Secondly, I spend less money eating at home.
which I currently have to do since I'm saving for academic reasons.
And third, I enjoy cooking, so I don't mind spending some time on it. As I pointed out at the beginning, at night I start preparing my next day. So besides the journaling I do before going to bed, I also chop some fruit and leave it ready in the fridge for the following morning. And when my following day at the gym is devoted to legs, which is the toughest of my days at the gym, I make some coffee at night and leave it in a thermal bottle or in the fridge. And this is weird because opposite to most people, I also enjoy cold coffee. I try to be disconnected from any screen 2 hours before I go to bed, and I usually use yellowish lights previous to sleeping. During these 2 hours, I carry out my night rituals, which entail reading for a little bit, washing my face, and applying some exfoliant cream from time to time. This helps removing dead cells, dirt, and preventing acne. I write on my journal and express gratitude to the Creator for everything I receive and share with others during my day.
And this, my friends, is how my routine looks like in a regular day. There are a lot of reasons why I do many of the activities in my routine, such as meditation, exercising, journaling, cooking, and so forth. But if I had expanded on those reasons, this video would have been a lot longer. So if you're interested in expanding this information, leave a comment below. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share this content with those who may benefit from it. Until the next one, take care, be healthy, and continue being awesome. Bye bye.